Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your washer actually supports Wi-Fi and that firmware is current. This prevents connection failures. Next, you power the unit and enable its wireless function from the control panel. Follow prompts until the Wi-Fi indicator blinks. Once done, make sure your phone's Wi-Fi is on and connected to the same router network, and keep credentials handy. You'll use the manufacturer app, so open it now and select Add Device to start the pairing process. Don't skip prompts. You now pair the washer to the app. Open the manufacturer app, grant necessary permissions, and choose Add Device. When prompted, pick your router SSID and type the password exactly. Small case, punctuation, and spaces matter. Once the washer shows as connecting, wait for confirmation and assign a clear name and location so you can control it later. Make sure to set default wash profiles or custom cycles. These save time. If firmware update is offered, install it now to ensure stability. You finish by running a short remote test cycle from the app to verify controls, temperature selection, and notifications work. Watch status updates and confirm the door lock engages. Once satisfied, set schedules, delay start, and enable alerts so you'll get a completion notification. If something goes wrong, power cycle the washer and router, then re-attempt pairing. This clears common glitches. If problems persist, check SSID band 2, 4 GHz often required, and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.